Write an intro to a YouTube video for the channel RacingBrick where I talk about how AI might take over the job of LEGO reviewers.
Welcome to RacingBrick, your go-to channel for all things LEGO. In today's video, we're going to be discussing an exciting topic, how AI might take over the job of LEGO reviewers. With the advancements in technology and the growing capabilities of AI, it's not hard to imagine a future where robots are able to review and analyze LEGO sets with precision and speed that human reviewers can't match. But what does this mean for the future of LEGO reviewing, and how will it impact the industry as a whole? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic and explore the potential implications of AI in the world of LEGO. Thanks for watching.
Okay folks, I'm in serious trouble. Skynet is online and it wants to review our LEGO sets. Please send. Hi everyone, this is Balázs from RacingBrick. Artificial intelligence is a very hot topic nowadays. To be more precise, everyone talks about this new chatbot called ChatGPT and how it can literally do everything for you, from creating web pages from scratch to writing your history and coding homework, and there are dozens of videos out there explaining how it will make humans unnecessary in different industries. As you could see in the intro, its performance is seriously impressive. With a vague input, it created a very well constructed intro for the video. For me, it means that its wording and writing abilities are really exceptional, but how about factual knowledge? Well, as I'm preparing my Spike Essential review right now, I thought it is a great opportunity to see how it performs with LEGO reviews, so let's do some tests. There's one thing to clarify before we start. ChatGPT is not connected to the internet, and according to the website, it has very limited knowledge about things happened since 2021. Spike Essential was released in 2021, so I'm not 100% sure it has any knowledge about it, but let's give it a try. So let's start with this. Write a detailed review about the LEGO set 45345. Apparently it doesn't know this set. Now let's try with the name. Okay, so this set is apparently not in the database as it was released in late 2021. Fair enough, but it instantly shows a potential weakness of the system. Whatever new sets you wanted ChatGPT to review for you, you are out of luck as it might only work with older stuff. Let's try something related. Spike Prime was released in 2019. How about that? Interesting. Set number is not recognized either. How about the name? Okay, we have more luck this time. So, the description here seems to be pretty convincing for the first sight. Talks about robotics, the Spike Prime app, sensors and motors and so on. But if we check the numbers, they don't really match. Spike Prime is a 10 plus set with 528 pieces and not an 11 plus set with 677 pieces. The app is also available on other platforms, and as far as I know, there's no any guidebook included in the set. These seem to be minor issues compared to the impressive summary it wrote without any particular input, but there are enough inaccuracies to make the whole thing unreliable. Now let's see another LEGO set, the good old 4x4 Extreme Off-Roader from 2019. Okay, so far so good, it recognized the set. Let's speed up the answer a bit and then verify the contents. It again looks like a decent summary and review for the first sight, but as always the devil is in the details. So yes, it is a 4x4 off-road vehicle, but it doesn't have a detailed engine at all. And it has a working suspension, but there's no winch here. Also, no toolbox, no spare tire and gas can. You know which set has those? Yes, the Technic Land Rover Defender. The set definitely doesn't have a V8 engine, nor the Defender by the way. This one does not have a fake engine at all. Working suspension is still here though. We could argue about the difficulty of the build as it is highly subjective, but the piece count is again wrong. This set has only 958 pieces. Yes, instructions are easy to follow and the finished product is sturdy and durable. Oh, and this is one of the biggest pain points of the Technic community. No, sadly the set does not come with a remote control. We really wish it had one. So yeah, this content could work as a superficial customer product review to earn some loyalty points or something like that, but it is definitely not a factual review. I assume it works based on information collected from different online sources, so let's try something that surely has tons of reviews online, the UCS Millennium Falcon. ChatGPT got the number of pieces right this time, and yeah, it is one of the largest sets, luckily it didn't say it was the largest one. Details and minifigs are correct, yes it is a challenging build for sure, and even the dimensions are okay this time. So, now a few things to worry about. I don't think the set has a working landing gear. You can attach and detach them, but I'm not sure that is considered to be a working one. As far as I know, there's no display stand included either, only the plaque with the information about the ship, but less about its history in the Star Wars universe. So again, it's a better and more accurate summary, but still not flawless. Could be used as a draft or baseline for sure for human reviewers, but I still wouldn't publish it anywhere as is. All of the reviews were quite positive, by the way, so far. I wonder if ChatGPT could be more, let's say, critical. Wow, that's quite impressive, and I would say there are some pretty fair points. Interestingly, with this more critical approach, there are less features mentioned, so this one could easily be a brief customer review on lego.com, for example. Now, out of curiosity, let's try a set that was really not well received by the fans, the infamous 75098 Assault on Hot UCS set. So, next time you see a suspiciously positive LEGO review online, maybe you should blame an AI writing it instead of blaming recognized LEGO fan media making biased reviews. ChatGPT apparently loves this set as well, although it has serious issues with the details again. Princess Leia and especially Darth Vader are definitely not in the set, nor any AT-AT walkers. Darth Vader is even highlighted again with the incredible feature of having a removable helmet. Well, he's not included unfortunately. So folks, I think we've seen enough. I think we shouldn't be very worried, at least for a while. AI won't write complete and accurate LEGO reviews by itself anytime soon. It can help with tons of different things, but should be definitely verified for facts and accuracy by a human. Here's a funny exercise it can do, by the way. Let's ask it to give a title to this video. Well, that's an impressive list to be honest, but YouTube likes shorter titles. Okay, these are probably too short and ChatGPT should definitely learn the plural of LEGO. How about something more clickbaity? Okay, I'm definitely impressed. If there's one thing this AI can do for sure, is to give us ideas and tips. It is especially handy for non-native English speakers. So folks, let me know what you think about the rise of AI and how it can potentially influence the LEGO world in any ways. I would love to know if you've seen any good or bad examples. Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe with notifications as more exciting LEGO videos are coming soon. See you next time, bye bye.